I say this because it's very rare to see a book that is generated out of, or associated with cinema, and especially something that talks to children. I happened to see the book yesterday, and I have fallen madly in love with it. Not just about how it explains a simple concept and makes learning easy for children, also how it integrates the film and its storyline into what it's trying to say, and the illustrations are just so beautiful. I trust me, all of you will want to carry one back to give it to the child that you love the most. Now, as you all know, this book has actually been launched to achieve two objectives from two very important people who are associated with the film. One, of course, is Salim Uncle, who everyone knows is probably the most prolific writer of our times. And he's always insisted that reading is a habit that everyone needs to inculcate. And I completely second that. And the other, Salman, who, of course, as you all know, loves children, and he feels that learning should be a fun process and that it should be an easy way to explore education this way. As you all know, I mean, of course, Bajrangi will hit the theaters tomorrow and you'll get to see it tomorrow. But the book essentially is, the story of a little girl who's lost at New Delhi railway station. And she cannot speak, she cannot read or write, but she takes the help of a man called Bajrangi, who with his friend called Rasika, keep telling them that, we'll be naming all these cities, and you put your hand up anytime that you think we've hit the spot, wherever you stay. And in the process of naming all these cities, the book explores various facts and fundamentals about the locations that they're talking about. And I think it's just so engrossing for a child to know, what comes where. It's not just a dhobi list of names. You get to learn geography. So the book is called Geography with Bajrangi Bhaijan. It's Bhugol, for those of you who don't know Hindi. It's also released in a Hindi version. It's going to be available at Amazon and at leading bookshops like Crossword, and of course, right here at Tidal Waves. Now, trust me, I'm not saying it because I have to. You have to take a look at it and you know what I'm saying. I'd like to call the publisher, Sonvi Desai of Indus Source. Please give her a huge round of applause. Sonvi is a very passionate publisher. I read the book yesterday. I want one. I want to keep one, not just for the kids, but my own personal copy. How did you come about the idea, of putting it together?
Well, actually, the idea was from Salman's team, and they wanted to publish this book, so that's how we got involved in it. And I just thought it was a great idea.
I'd also, along with you, like to see on stage Tanvi Bhatt, who has illustrated the book so beautifully. Tanvi is a very widely published illustrator, and her work has been featured in Pratham books, in Amar Chitra Kathas, which we all grew up reading, and of course, Duckbill books, to name just a few. Tanvi, a big fan already.
Thank you so
I've
much.
seen the book. It's beautiful. Everyone looks, just lovely.
Thank
Did you have fun illustrating it?
I had a lot
Was
of
it
fun.
tough illustrating Salman?
It was tricky. Yeah, it was definitely tough.
He's probably the most sketched person in the country.
It was, but I think I didn't even need to look at his pictures. I knew how to sketch Salman.
Ooh.
And
there. We got food for thought.
And it was really fun. Like, I had very little time to do it, and it was such a...
I mean, we didn't know a book was on the way, and suddenly there's a book already there. I was quite surprised to know this. And
fun.
you've got it all packed together. You had fun doing it?
Absolutely, I did.
Great. Ladies and gentlemen, the book is designed by Priya Mehta of Design Pink. We want her to be on stage now. I'm a big fan of stationery products, by the way. Priya, again, beautiful book. Even though I say so myself, how did you go about putting it together in such a short while?
That's the tricky part. It's always the short time that comes out with the best product. So we had a good time doing this overall, and it's team effort. And the most important thing was to keep it simple, but keep it creative and keep it fun, so that kids of any age, kind of enjoy it and have fun doing geography.
Wow, I think it's been a tremendous association. Bajrangi Bhaijan, got this trio of lovely women to put this lovely book together. And ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to warmly welcome on stage the man who probably inspired them to put this book together. Ladies and gentlemen, the wonderful Salim Saab. Salim Saab, I think it's the book's honor कि आपने इसके बारे में सोचा एंड आपने इस बुक में एक इस फिल्म में एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी देखी जिससे हम एक बच्चों के लिए बुक निकाल पाएँ. तो आप obviously you think reading is a very important thing for children. How did this idea come about?
ये मुझसे बहुत हमेशा ये सवाल पूछा जाता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कि आजकल की फिल्मों में अच्छे सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं होते हैं, वजह क्या है? हमेशा एक विच इज़ वेरी कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन कि यहाँ पे कहानी नहीं होती है, कहानी नहीं होती है. उसका सिंपल जवाब ये है कि लोग पढ़ते नहीं हैं आजकल. अखबार भी सीढ़ियों पे बच्चों के पढ़े रहते हैं, 5-5, 6-6 दिन तक अखबार भी नहीं पढ़ते हैं. हमारे फादर हमसे कहा करते थे कि पढ़ो, बहुत पढ़ो. और हमारे लिए एक पेपर आता था स्टेट्समैन जो कि कलकत्ता में निकलता था, इंदौर में 5 दिन बाद पहुंचता था. उसके बाद वो सवाल पूछते थे, ये पढ़ा है, ये पढ़ा है. और आज जो मेरे काम भी आया, इसलिए कि व्हेन आई केम टू बिकम एन एक्टर, मैं तो समझता था कि दिलीप कुमार की दुकान बंद करवा दूंगा मैं, मगर कुछ हुआ नहीं. तो जाने के लिए कोई जगह नहीं थी, तो मुझे पढ़ाई काम आई मेरी. तो पढ़ाई की इतनी आदत हो गई थी कि अगर अखबार में कोई चीज़ बांध के लाता था तो उसको फेंकने से पहले पढ़ लिया करता था. और जो भी फिल्में बनी हैं, चाहे वो हाथी मेरे साथी हो, चाहे वो जंजीर हो, शोले हो, त्रिशूल हो, जो भी फिल्में बनी हैं, उनमें सबसे बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन मेरी पढ़ाई का है. दैट्स एंड पढ़ाई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड पास टाइम ऑल्सो. नॉलेज तो आपका बढ़ता ही है और इट इज़ अ ग्रेट पास टाइम ऑल्सो. कभी भी अपना कोई वक्त ऐसा हो कि आपके समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, बहुत ही बड़ी नियामत है ये किताब, और आप पढ़ें. और ख़राब से ख़राब किताब में आपको कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा. बस. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
सर, जस्ट वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. जैसे कि आपने कहा आजकल बच्चे पढ़ते नहीं हैं, सब कुछ इंटरनेट पे होता है और दे सब टेलीविजन मीडियम पे देखते हैं. Just the importance for all of us present here, the importance of actually reading a physical book. उसमें मतलब जो एक मैजिक होता है कहते हैं, in the printed word, वो और किसी चीज़ में नहीं है. Agree with that?
मेरा जो भी कुछ थोड़ी बहुत सक्सेस मुझे मिली है और जिसकी वजह से इन बच्चों को एक मिला प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, अगर मैं यहाँ नहीं होता तो ये भी नहीं होते. तो उसका सारा जो बेस है वो रीडिंग है, सारा के सारा वो पढ़ाई है. और आई एम किसी फ़ख्र से ये बात नहीं कह रहा हूँ, बट आई एम स्टेटिंग अ फैक्ट कि आई मस्ट बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वेल रेड पर्सन हियर. इन जो मिलता था, एक छोटी सी लाइब्रेरी थी, माहिम विक्टोरिया लाइब्रेरी नाम था. जब मैं उसके सामने जाके खड़ा होता था तो उसका मालिक कहता था कि इसमें कोई नई किताब नहीं है, आपने सारी किताबें पढ़ी हुई हैं.
Salim Saab, that is really something. I think, आप say if you're giving us the final word on this, I don't think there's anybody else who needs to even think about this. जी.
स्पीच और दे दूं जो मैं प्रिपेयर करके लाया था, पढ़ो पढ़ो और पढ़ो.
Lovely. चलिए, simply put and very well understood. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Salman Khan. हो गए आपके photo ops? Salman, the film is releasing tomorrow. इस सब हला बलू के बीच में जो आपकी people want to click your pictures, in the middle of all of this, a children's book. मतलब normally एक फिल्म के promotions में देखा नहीं जाता है कि एक छोटी सी book बच्चों के लिए बीच में आ रही. We all know that you love children.
ये वैसे किताब बच्चों के लिए है नहीं, ये मेरे लिए है. Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the last book I've read.
Well,
it is really
it
sweet.
tells you a lot.
It is really sweet. And do we have a copy here?
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah?
We will.
So,
Okay, hold
अच्छा,
on.
we've
So
released it.
let's do nothing.
तो आप जब तस्वीर देखोगे, जो sketch illustration देखोगे, आप बहुत similarities देखोगे. Look exactly. I thought it was like a self-portrait there.
Salman, you've always said that children should be brought up in an environment where learning is fun. So ये आपने कुछ मतलब बहुत ideate करके बोला, was learning fun for you?
Learning.
That is the reason I'm asking this question.
We start learning now.
Never too late. Never too late for any of you to pick up this book and learn about your own country, to explore the the various interesting facets of.
Mike.
इनके पास एक ऐसा आदमी था जो इनको पढ़ाता था, एग्जाम में पास हो जाते थे, उसका नाम भूल गया, क्या नाम था? हाँ?
नाम ही भूल गए।
इम्तिहान से पहले मिलता था इनसे और यूज्ड टू मेक श्योर कि पास हो जाए। क्या नाम था उसका?
याद नहीं रही।
वेरी बच्चे सुन रहे हैं यहाँ पर बैठ के।
सोहेल को याद होगा, सोहेल को याद होगा।
Oh, Ganesh. Sohail just said Ganesh. Do you remember Ganesh? So क्या Ganesh gave you a one-day crash
और उसके घर में बहुत खातिर तवाज़ो होती थी, जो भी नाम था उसका, गोवर्धन या जो भी कुछ, राम, अरे राम आया, राम आया, राम आया, सब चिल्लाते थे।
All right, so I think Salman wants all of you to see the book. Before that, can we please call and state the director of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Kabir Khan? क्या बात है, सबने हनुमान जी के गदे पहने हुए हैं गले में। नाइस लुकिंग डायरेक्टर सलमान। आप सबको नहीं मिले? Amazon से ऑर्डर कर लीजिए। never
कहीं तो थोड़ा सा खर्चा करो।
Right. Kabir, just before we bring on the film,
10 टिकट के साथ मिलता है।
Sorry?
Maybe.
Okay, एक और बात जो हम बताना भूल गए, Being Human store पे भी मिल रहे हैं ये सारे. In case you don't want to order and wait for it, go straight to the Being Human store and get it. Kabir, a quick question. I mean, we both saw the book, we both loved it. We have children who loved it. आप भी काफी किताबें पढ़ते हैं. How important did you think that a film script that you were writing would actually give birth to a book for children? Isn't that like the most ultimate compliment?
आप इसका जवाब दीजिए, आप घर पे भी पूछ सकती थी।
घर पे तो सर मैं तो घर पे पूछ चुकी हूँ, इसका जवाब भी मुझे पता है, मैं पीछे बैठ के।
घर पे जो सवाल रिहर्स करे थे वो पूछे नहीं, तो अब थोड़ा सा नहीं, I know it's really exciting that a book can generate a book like this, a film can generate a book like this for kids, क्योंकि there is a lot of entertainment in the way Salman tries to find out where this little girl is from, and to turn that into this interesting book and sort of go through all the cities of our country and get facts about it. I think it's really interesting. I saw the book and I was I just started it, and then within 5 minutes I'd finished it because I loved it. Geography has always been one of my favorite subjects, and that's the reason why I keep pulling Salman all over the world and all over the country for my films. And I'm really glad this book is out.
Actually, there's a big joke that Salman keeps saying. He says, your husband just picks up a globe and he turns it around and he says, अब यहाँ चलते हैं, अब यहाँ film shoot करते हैं. So maybe
मतलब कि जहाँ नहीं गए हैं वहाँ जाने का, तो वहीं के बारे में स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखते हैं. इनको कश्मीर जाना था तो इन्होंने कश्मीर के ऊपर लिख लिया इस बार.
Well, Geography with Bajrangi Bhaijaan also has a list of a lot of other states that you haven't shot in. So maybe next time.
Next.
Okay. So can we have the books here, and can we have the book being opened and the first copy? Salim Saab, please do us the honor of opening this.